Hi learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna's space. Today is the day 51 of our 300 days DSA journey. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it. So today's problem is maximum ascending subarray sum. Here we have given an array of positive integers called nums and we have to return the maximum possible sum of an strictly increasing subarray in nums. So now let's understand what is strictly increasing subarray. An array is said to be strictly increasing if each element is strictly greater than its previous one. And we have done similar kind of problem in the last video where we need to find the length of longest strictly increasing or strictly decreasing subarray. But in this problem we just need to find out strictly increasing subarray and then just return the maximum sum of it. So now let's understand the examples to have better clarity about this problem. So in example 1, as we can see, we have given an array and the output is 65. Why? Because 5, 10, 50 is the ascending subarray with the maximum sum of 65. I know many of you are thinking that 10, 20 and 30 is also ascending subarray, which is true, but 10, 20 and 30 is giving the sum as 60. And we need to return the maximum sum, that's why they have returned the output 65. And same in example 2, we have given an array and the output is 150 because the whole array is the ascending subarray with the maximum sum of 150. And in example 3, the output is 33 because 10, 11 and 12 is the ascending subarray with the maximum sum of 33. So now let's understand how I approach this problem. As I said, in this problem, first we need to find strictly increasing subarray and then we have to return the maximum sum of it. And for maximum sum, we are going to use max function as always. So now let's understand my code line by line to have a better understanding about this solution. So as you can see in the starting, I have created two variables, current sum and maximum sum. As the name suggesting, current sum will going to store the sum of current ascending subarray and in maximum sum we are going to have the maximum sum of ascending subarray. And currently they are storing first element of my array. Thereafter I have run a loop from 1 to length of nums and inside the loop I am comparing my nums of I with nums of I minus 1, or I can say I am comparing my current element with my previous element. If my current element or nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1 or previous element, then in current sum we are going to add nums of I or my current element. But if not, then my current sum will become nums of I. And in maximum sum we are going to have maximum of maximum sum and current sum. So now let's take the example 1 to have a better clarity about it. So in the first run we are going to have the value 20. And we are going to compare 20 and 10. So we know 20 is greater than 10. So in my current sum, we are going to add 20. And as I said, my current sum and maximum sum are going to store the first element of my array. So currently they both have the value 10. So now my current sum will become 30. And in my maximum sum, we are going to have 30 because we have used max function. Thereafter, we will have 30 as my current element. Then we are going to compare it with the 20. So we know 30 is greater than 20. That means in my current sum, we are going to add the value 30. Now my current sum has become 60. And also my maximum sum will updated and become 60 now. Thereafter, we get the value 5. And now we know 5 is not greater than 30. That means my current sum will become 5 now and my maximum sum will remain same as 60. Thereafter we are going to have 10 which is greater than 5. So now my current sum will be 15 but my maximum sum will remain same. And in the last we are going to have the value 50 which is greater than 10. So my current sum will become 65 now. And now my maximum sum will going to be changed and will become 65. And in the last we are going to return maximum sum. So that's how I have solved this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment. And thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.